Kezia.
And I am Nachiket. And we are students at EDII pursuing PGDME program.
As a student of EDII, I can confidently say that this institute is a powerhouse for nurturing aspiring entrepreneurs. The academics here are thoughtfully and carefully crafted to combine theory with practice, so that we learn not only how to be an entrepreneur, but so that we can apply it in our daily lives.
Our professors are not only educators, but mentors who are experts in their respective fields, making each and every session impactful and engaging.
What truly sets EDII apart is the vast alumni network that we have. People who have made their marks in their respective fields often return to our campus to share their journeys with us, motivating us to dream bigger.
Regular industry visits provide first-hand insights into different business verticals, bridging the gap between learning and practice. Also, to this lineup of dynamic workshop and talks by renowned industry leaders, you have an ecosystem that keeps you inspired and future-ready. So, come to EDII and experience the life at EDII.